Have you ever pondered how crucial the industrial sector is to India's economic structure? This isn't just an idle question to pass the time. It's a key puzzle piece in understanding the intricate design of India's thriving economy. A cornerstone, if you will, that supports the weight of a nation's growth and prosperity. So, why does the industrial sector in India matter? And why should it matter to you? The answer to this question may hold more weight than you initially thought. India's industrial sector is an economic powerhouse. It is a key driver of the nation's economic growth, contributing significantly to the gross domestic product. The sector's importance is magnified when we consider its role in employment generation. As a hub of varied industries, it offers a plethora of opportunities leading to job creation and a decrease in unemployment rates. But the industrial sector's role doesn't stop at boosting GDP and employment. It's also a major source of foreign exchange earnings. Industries such as textiles, gems and jewelry, engineering goods and chemicals export their products globally, earning foreign exchange and strengthening India's economic position on the world stage. The industrial sector also plays a crucial role in regional development. With industries spreading across various parts of the country, they foster economic development in these regions. This in turn leads to urbanization, as more people move to these areas in search of better livelihoods. The impact of the industrial sector is deeply woven into the fabric of India's society and economy. It's not just about factories and production lines, it's about people, their livelihoods, and the country's economic well-being. It's about progress and prosperity, not just for the present, but for the future too. And so, with insights drawn from recent data and research findings, we can affirmatively say that the industrial sector is not just an economic powerhouse, but a catalyst for social and economic transformation. Clearly, the industrial sector plays a pivotal role in India's economy. The future of India's industrial sector seems promising. A new dawn is breaking on the horizon of India's industrial landscape, and it's being shaped by technological advancements, government policies, and global trends. The advent of Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, is transforming production lines into smart factories. Automation, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are not just buzzwords anymore. They are becoming the backbone of India's industrial sector, enhancing efficiency, productivity, and quality. Government policies are also playing a crucial role in shaping the future of the sector. The Make in India initiative, for instance, is a significant thrust towards promoting the country as a global manufacturing hub. It's not only attracting foreign investments, but also encouraging domestic industries to innovate and expand. The government's push for infrastructure development and ease of doing business is further facilitating the sector's growth. Global trends, too, are influencing the sector's trajectory. The shift towards sustainable and responsible production is prompting Indian industries to adopt greener practices. The rise of e-commerce and digital economy is opening new avenues for the sector. However, the path to progress is not devoid of hurdles. The sector is grappling with issues like skill gap, outdated infrastructure, and regulatory complexities. The transition to smart factories requires a skilled workforce, adept at handling advanced technologies, something that is currently lacking. The infrastructure, too, needs an overhaul to support the modern industrial setup. But challenges often come with opportunities. The skill gap has led to an increased focus on skill development and vocational training, creating a talent pool for the future. The need for infrastructure upgrade is attracting investments in logistics, warehousing, and supply chain management. In this era of rapid change, the industrial sector holds immense potential for driving India's economic growth. It is poised to redefine the country's position in the global industrial map, provided it can navigate the challenges and harness the opportunities effectively. The industrial sector is poised for growth, but it also faces significant challenges. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've journeyed through the bustling corridors of India's industrial sector and seen firsthand its pivotal role in the nation's economy. From manufacturing to mining, this sector is the beating heart of India, driving economic growth and fueling employment opportunities. We've peered into the future where the prospects of this sector shine bright. The industrial sector is poised to be the catalyst for India's economic resurgence, driving innovation and attracting global investments. Yet this forward march isn't without its challenges. Issues like outdated infrastructure and environmental concerns need to be addressed to ensure sustainable growth. Understanding the importance of the industrial sector in India helps us to grasp the broader economic landscape of the country. It's a complex yet fascinating tapestry, woven with threads of ingenuity, resilience, and potential. And with that, we conclude our discussion today.